Okay, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be rating your Pandabuy outfits. I host these events all the time, so join my Discord down below if you want to be included. Okay, the first outfit is a little bit blurry, but I can tell these guys are Arc'teryx warriors. Their proportions are good, they got 4s. I think these are the Oreos. I like how the colours go together on this one. This is a decent fit. I'm going to put this at B tier. Next outfit we got is this outfit. Now I don't know who submitted this, but I'm not sure if this is a Pandabuy outfit, but I'm still gonna give it a B. Okay, now we're on to the third outfit. They've got a varsity jacket on. They've got Stone Island cargos here. To be fair, I don't think they should have worn the hat. Actually no, it's not good. I'm gonna give it a D. Bang. Fourth outfit. This is a you wouldn't understand type fit. So I'm probably gonna put this in the you wouldn't understand section. Bang. Okay, next outfit. Nothing special. The shirt fits a bit oversized, which I don't like. This one's gonna be a D tier fit. This fit is a B, so there's a tech fleece warrior. Now I don't really have anything wrong with tech fleeces, but it's just not my thing. I don't know what's going on here with no socks. But yeah, I feel like I see this every day. It's nothing new, to be honest. I'm just gonna give it a C. So now we're on to the next fit. We got Young Phaso. Decent outfit, you know, I like it. I like the Joy Fight Club top here. The proportions are decent. You know, I'm gonna give this one an A. This is an A tier fit. Okay, next outfit. I've seen this. Okay, you guys keep submitting outfits with Jordan 4s. Okay, this is gonna be a C. Okay. The background is nice. Actually no, I'm gonna give it a B because of the background. And he's in the middle of the road. Okay, no, never mind, he's not in the middle of the road, but I'm still gonna give it a B. Okay, next outfit we got the Balenciagas and the pajamas, and I think he's got a girl on. Actually never mind, that's his boy on the right. I'm gonna give it a B. Okay, more Jordan 4s, but this fit is beautiful. This fit is astronomical. I like the jewelry here. Even the phone goes with the fit. Okay, yeah, that is an A tier outfit. Okay, next outfit. This fit is so bad. Maybe I just don't understand the drip. So yeah, I have to put it in the blue section here. You wouldn't understand because I think I'm missing out on something here. Someone has to tell me in the comments. Okay, next outfit. More Jordan 4s. Oh, yeah, this is an F tier outfit. He's holding up his Pandabuy haul. Yeah, it looks like he's in a trap house. If you look at the back, yeah, nothing is good about this picture, let alone the outfit. This is an F tier outfit. Bang. Okay, this one's not bad. I'm gonna put it at C. Okay, and then the last outfit is this outfit right here. Not wearing any shoes, but that is okay. I am gonna put this at S. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Check my spreadsheet out below and join the Discord down below. I'll be hosting something like this again, and I'll be hosting a couple giveaways. Like the video. Yeah.